Mabuhay, I am a non-conformist. Meaning, I intentionally disregard yung sinet na standard ng society sa atin para maging katanggap-tanggap tayo sa sosyedad. I don't conform. Kasi at a very young age, I am very well aware na yung mga institutions sa palibot natin, they don't intend to make us happy, nor healthy, nor successful. They're existing because there is an agenda behind it. Hindi para masigurado na maging safe tayo, maging masaya tayo, at maging successful at healthy. And that is why, last presidential election lang ako talaga nagpa-register. Kasi I don't want to be part of anything. I don't believe in the government. Pero dahil naniwala ako sa nasimulan ni PRRD, and that is why hindi ako nag-atubili na magpa-register and to vote. Because I want the legacy to be continued. Pero siguro talagang totoo ang scam. Anyway, non-conformist people, these individuals, we are not rebels, though others call us rebels. For me, we are just people who really knows how to think. We question a lot of things. We just don't simply accept kung ano yung dahil sinabi sa amin maniniwala na kami. No. We double check because that's the right thing to do. Hindi pwedeng one-sided lang ba, kumbaga. And I invite everyone to act the same. Learn how to think. Not just what to think. Kasi as long as hindi ka marunong mag-isip, you will always be played. Talagang kaya ka lang paglaruan at magiging robot ka. At wala kang freedom, wala kang free will. Kaya ka nakaka-feel ng samot-saring klase ng mental health issues because you know you can't express the authentic and real you. You cannot express your truth because you're too scared kung ano ang sasabihin ngayon ng society sa'yo, na ibang tao. Kasi hindi mo na sinunod kung ano yung norm. Let them. Because once sinimulan mo na questionin ang mga bagay-bagay, dyan mo na ngayon maa-appreciate yung beauty ng buhay. Hindi madali, pero at least it's your truth. Much love. Carpe diem. Namaste. Hiraya Manuari. This is Alvinet Radio. Live here at Connected Ground. Have a great day ahead.